Hello everyone. Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on iSumsoft Corfixer. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly repair corrupted or damaged files, including photos, videos, documents, and audio files, using this powerful tool. Part 1. How to repair damaged photos. These photos are damaged. As you can see, they do not open properly. Now launch iSumsoft Corfixer on your computer. Choose the Photo Repair option. Click Add Picture. Then navigate to the corrupted photos. Select them all. And click Open. These files are added to the program. Click the Repair button to start repairing these photos. The repair was successful. You can preview all the repaired photos on the software interface. If there is a photo that failed to be repaired, it's probably very badly damaged. In this case, click the Advanced Repair button. Then, add a sample photo. A sample photo is a healthy photo created by the same device as the corrupted one. It provides a reference for the software to analyze structural patterns, metadata, and encoding settings in order to repair the severely damaged photo. Once added, click Next. Advanced Repair has successfully fixed the photo. Then you can save all the repaired photos in the location you want. Part 2. How to repair corrupted videos. These videos are corrupted. As you can see, they cannot be played. Launch iSumsoft Corfixer. Choose the Video Repair option. Click Add Video. Navigate to the corrupted video files. Select them and click Open. Click Repair. These video files are repaired successfully. Then, save the repaired videos to your desired location. The video now plays properly. Part 3. How to repair corrupted Office files. These are corrupted Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and PDF files. Open iSumsoft Corfixer. Choose the File Repair option. Click the Add File button to add the corrupted files. Click Repair, and all the files are repaired successfully. Finally, save the repaired file to your computer. Part 4. How to repair corrupted audio files. First, choose the Audio Repair option. Click Add Audio to add the corrupted audio file. Click Repair to repair the file. Repair was successful. Finally, click Save to save the repaired audio file. That's it.